Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Fun or Not channel. Today we are going to have an intermission with our video production by giving you unboxing or rather unbottling or opening of a drink I found in the refrigerator in this house, and it's Bundaberg. It's called ginger beer, so I don't know if it really has any alcohol in it, but it's made in Australia. And by the way, this is not sponsored, so I just found this and I thought it would be refreshing because right now it's 85 degrees or 29 degrees centigrade, which is 85 degrees Fahrenheit, but I think it's already 31 degrees centigrade. And the app, the Google app, I look at the weather, it still tells me the time from an hour ago, so it didn't change over to the hour. But this drink is made in Australia, so it's an Australian beer, and it says before you open it, you flip it so you can see. I don't know if you can see it, whatever is the suspended thing, because they said it's made with real ginger and sugar cane. So I don't know if you can see that one. So there must be settling of the whatever's in the drink, so they actually put it in and then you switch it. And then another curious thing is that it's a cap here. This one is in the bottle, you can see it's into the bottle, and then the cap is, there's a ring here, so you're supposed to flip it. So we will open it right now and see, then we will be able to taste how good it is. So we flip it and you can see, if I take it now, it's more it's not clear because whatever settled resuspended itself. So we'll open it now. So this is the top of the cap, and then we're gonna flip it. So we're supposed to just pull it up. So did you hear it pop? And now for the taste. Yeah, you can taste the ginger. So this is different than the ginger ale that we drink a lot in the USA, that it comes in bottles, I think, or plastic bottles or in cans, but this one is in glass bottle and it's called ginger beer. I checked the website, they come in different flavors. There's like lime, lemon, or other flavors there. I didn't really look at everything else because this is the only one I saw in the refrigerator. And you can see that's the cap, so it's not resealable, but it tastes very good. I don't think there's any fizz, so no bubbling or anything, but it fizz when I pop it. I think I heard some popping, so there must be under pressure, or maybe it's producing its own carbon dioxide. So this is 375 milliliters, and I like the flavor. I think it's sweeter than the ginger ale, but you can taste it's got more ginger flavor. So it's very refreshing. I don't really like to drink soda, but it's too hot today. I don't like to drink soda still. But I found this ginger beer, so hopefully you can see it. So I think here in the Philippines you can buy it from the grocery. I don't know if they bought it from the grocery or they ordered it online, but I like it. It's free for me because I didn't buy it, so it's good. Fun or not, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you can try this, it's really good. So it's got sugar in it and it's refreshing also if you put it. So it came from the refrigerator, so it's cold. Seems like there's a little fizz. so there might be slight bubbling. Anyway, thanks for watching and I hope to see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Fun or not.